Hello guys and welcome back to the video, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you a Canva AI hack, how to instantly generate video thumbnails. So guys, don't waste time on thumbnails, let's Canva do it for you. This is how you can get it done. First up, from the menu on the left, just simply scroll till you find Magic Media, click on Magic Media here, and then go ahead and simply describe what you'd like to create. So just simply tell Canva to help you choose an AI thumbnail, or simply type in design or generate a bold YouTube thumbnail about whatever niche you're on. So let's say you're in comedy, you could simply ask it to create a satire thumbnail or any kind of thumbnail that reflects what you're doing on YouTube for your channel. All right, so let's type that in. Once you've typed it in, just go ahead and click on generate images. So give it the prompt. You're just giving the AI a prompt, and then gonna go ahead and generate whatever thumbnail you request from it. And boom, here we go. A thumbnail has been created for us. And now all you need to do is go ahead and select the thumbnail you'd like to make use of. You could just click on the thumbnail here. Let's make this the center of this page. Let's go ahead and add a new page. Then we can drag this over to this new page here and enlarge this thumbnail. So now the thumbnail size do vary across the kind of canvas you're on. So you can simply change the canvas size by simply clicking on edit and changing it up. But don't forget, you need to add some text to the front of your image. So make sure you add some text over here for your thumbnail. And then once you're done, you can now simply share this thumbnail to your YouTube by clicking on share and clicking on download and downloading it as either a PNG or a JPEG for your YouTube channel. And then once you're done, upload it to your YouTube account. That's how you can go about this. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.